Sugar TV. This is another street food thing that we're trying to cover. There's all kinds of cuisines that you can get here, and it's pretty reasonable too. And here on this street, this is actually the Washington Street, Southwest Washington Street in downtown Portland. They have all kinds. This whole street is covered with street food. So come along, let's see. There's Mexican, Turkish, Mediterranean gyros are special here. There's more. You should just come along. Po' boys style food. This is the best pho place. Have you ever tried pho before? It's actually a Vietnamese soup. It's so good, especially during the cold season. It's really good. So we just checked out the whole street, finalized our menu. I think we're going to try the chicken gyro, and one of them looks really good. Let's go place an order. Oh look! You'll see a lot of things here. Portland is unique on its own. Obo Omar. Obo Omar's Mediterranean store. Have you ever tried a gyro before? Do you know what a gyro is? It's somewhat like in a pita bread. They have lettuce, tomatoes, everything, and chicken, and then they have this tzatziki sauce. It's so good, really. It's really good. They have the lamb version, the beef version, and the chicken version. For some reason, I'm sticking to chicken today. The plan is try it out, see how it is. Bring my boys and girls over here because they'll love it. They'll have a kick out of this one. Let's go place an order. I'd like to place an order for chicken gyro. Yeah, with no cheese. Can you take on the cheese? Yeah. Sure. And extra tzatziki sauce would be nice. Tzatziki? Yeah, sure, no problem. Spicy? Medium spicy. All right. You go ahead. For here. Thank you. Please. Sure. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. See what I got? They even topped it off with some spices. It's really nice. Yeah? And olives. The olives for me. You're supposed to put the whole thing in your mouth, but it's too big for me. I'd rather go with this. That's really good. Yeah? This is Mandarin food. Have you seen what a Mandarin cuisine looks like? I'll show you. Excuse me, what is this called?
And the barbecue pork inside.
What is it?
Pork inside.
Pork, barbecue pork inside. What is that? It's sweet itself called?
It's barbecue pork. It is sweet.
It is sweet.
Yeah, little bit sweet. Okay.
Okay, and this is
This is regular.
pot sticker.
Yeah, plastic.
Pot sticker, egg roll.
It's no meat. This is no meat.
No meat. Okay, and this is noodles, chow mein. Okay, and what is this?
Kung Pao chicken.
Kung Pao chicken.
Yeah. Teriyaki.
Teriyaki chicken with the jasmine rice, or sticky rice.
Yeah. The rice noodle any choice.
Oh, okay.
Okay. One thing. Well, that was fun. Thank you so much for joining us through this journey of downtown Portland. This was a special episode covering Portland street food. We wanted to explore and introduce our kids to other cuisines that are available here. Well, we hope they will enjoy it as well. So, this was a trial run. We hope you had fun watching our local attractions. And we also want to thank you, each and every one of you, for your love and support. To join our family, you can also do. Please subscribe to our channel and you'll be updated with all the latest videos and other updates. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.